Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica. And today we're going to be taking a look at Wet n Wild's Rebel Rose collection. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so like I had mentioned, we're going to go ahead and be taking a look at the Wet n Wild Rebel Rose collection. I am very aware that this has been out for quite some time now, but I've been so busy that I myself have not even been able to open this box up and take a look at everything inside and go ahead and play with the products. So I had asked on Instagram if you guys wanted to see an unboxing slash tutorial on this or the BH Cosmetics in collaboration with Daisy Marquez palette, and you guys picked the Wet n Wild Rebel Rose collection, so that is what we are going to do together today. So it's going to be, like I said, a bit of an unboxing slash tutorial because I will go ahead and do a makeup look with the products inside. So first off, I just want to go ahead and say that I love Wet n Wild just in general. They have some really great products and of course at a really great price. So you can't really beat that. So this collection is still currently available on their website. It is for $59.99 and it includes the skincare portion and the makeup portion. They also have two other options for you to just go ahead and purchase the skincare collection and the makeup collection on its own. Or if you just wanted to buy specific items, so you can go ahead and do that as well. I, of course, bought the entire thing, so we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what is inside. Alright, so this is the box here, and then the top layer is the skincare items. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out, take a look at them, show them to you guys. Okay, first up we have the lip scrub here. It doesn't really have a smell, but let's go ahead and use this product and go ahead and exfoliate these lips right here because we definitely need that. I love to exfoliate my lips, especially right before I go ahead and apply my lip product. That way it goes on smoothly. Now that my lips are exfoliated, I am actually going to go ahead and take this Perfect Pout and Jelly Balm and go ahead and just moisturize my lips. This as well doesn't have a smell. I do want to say, for those who do have a sensitive sense of smell, like I do, pretty much within just opening the box right away, I could smell the roses. It's not an overbearing smell to where I just can't handle it, but I do want to let you guys know that that is present. All right, next up is this rose toner. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh, I think that Jelly Balm gave a pink tint to my lips. The smell is not too strong, which is good because I have a really sensitive sense of smell. Next up, we have the Rose Multi-Use Oil. And you can see that it has little rose petals in there. I'm actually not going to go ahead and use this right now. I do have pretty oily skin, especially in my T-zone, so I don't want to put that before I go ahead and put my makeup on. I would probably use that more at night just to kind of really put some moisture back into my face while I sleep. So next up here we have the Rose Primer Serum. I'm just going to go ahead, put a couple of drops. That. It feels nice. So I'm going to go ahead and let that seep into my skin. Alright, so now for the bottom half of the box. As you can see, this is where all the makeup is at. This is the blush brush. And I just think it's so cute that it is a rose here. Obviously goes with the theme of the collection. Super soft. Next up we have this eyeshadow brush. Again in the shape of a rose. And super soft as well. I don't know how much use I'll actually be getting out of these. I feel like they're just more for decoration purposes, just to kind of just have on my vanity. But all right, so for the eyeshadow quads, this is the Bed of Roses, Secret Garden Rendezvous, and last but not least, we have House of Thorns here. So I'm actually not going to go ahead and open and swatch all of them for you because I haven't decided if I want to go ahead and put some of these in a giveaway, and I don't want to open them up and get my finger in them and then try to give them to someone else. So I'm only going to go ahead and swatch the one that I decide to use. Next up, we have this cream blush, which I'm actually really excited to try. As you can see in the pan, it is black. But from what I have seen, once you go ahead and blend this out, it actually gives a pink tint. Don't really see too much color coming up. Like I said, I think it's just supposed to be a very sheer tint, but we'll definitely go ahead and try that out when I apply my makeup. First up, we have Kiss of Death, and this is one of the matte lipsticks. We have Deviant Damsel. This is a matte lipstick as well. This right here is Petal Poison, and this is a high shine lipstick. And last but not least, Bud Romance, and this is a high shine lipstick as well. Alright, so that is everything that came in the collection. It's quite a bit of products, so let's actually go ahead and pick a palette, and then we can go ahead and do a makeup look. Alright, so I actually decided on House of Thorns. Okay, so these are the colors. They're so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch them. So these are the swatches right here. We've got the black, the burgundy shade. This is actually that shimmery green color. It actually looks a lot more black than the actual black. And then we have like this bronzy color here. I don't feel like the mattes swatch too well, but we'll see how they apply on the lid. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my Makeup Revolution concealer to prime my lids. Okay, so I'm actually going to go ahead and start off with the burgundy shade, and I'm going to go ahead and just pat that into my crease. So just gradually go ahead and intensify the color so you get the desired look. And I'm actually going to go ahead and dip into that black shade and just pack it on my lid. And then slightly bring it up into the crease and just blend it in with the burgundy color. I'm actually going to go ahead and just take a flat brush and just pack that on the lid. I expected the black to be slightly darker, but The more I pack it on, the darker it gets. So I guess it's okay. And then just taking that blending brush and then just diffusing the black out into the burgundy. I know this looks super crazy right now, but just go ahead and keep blending. Trust me, it'll get to where you want it to be. See, it's starting to look a little bit better. So now I'm actually going to go ahead and pick up that green shade, and I'm going to pack that on the inner part of my lid. I don't know if that's showing up on camera. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take the Mario Badescu facial spray, and I'm going to go ahead and spray that to help intensify the color a little bit more, because I would like it to show up more. There we go, that's a little better. Much better. Now I know you guys can see that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, finish my other eye off camera, put some foundation on, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I have done the other eye and my face makeup off camera, and I'm actually really liking how it turned out. Let's just go ahead and finish up the face. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and try this cream blush out. I'm actually going to go ahead and just take the back of my beauty blender into the pan. Just going to go ahead and pat this onto the apples of my cheek. It is definitely very, oh no. No, I don't like that. I feel like it kind of gave my cheek a black sheen. I don't know if you guys can see that. Definitely, this cream blush is not for me. I really wanted to like that. Let me see if I can just, yeah, you definitely really have to rub it in. Let me see. You see how it's black? And then the more you rub it in, the more pink it gets. So I'm actually going to take a different blush. That's definitely a lot better. So to finish up the eyes, I am going to take the black eyeshadow and just smoke out the bottom lash line. And then I'm going to just take another fluffy brush and smoke out the black with the burgundy shade. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take the bronzy shade in the palette with a pencil brush, and I'm going to go ahead and place that in my inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and throw on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the lashes that I'm wearing today are by Lily Lashes, and they are in the style Gaia. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So now all that's left is lips. So I do want to go ahead and use one of these, and I think I'm actually going to go ahead and use this one, Kiss of Death. I don't know, let's see how this turns out. Alright, let's see, hopefully I like how it looks with the eye look. that is the lip. I actually like how it looks with the eye makeup. I was kind of worried it was going to be a little bit too much, but it's pretty comfortable. It's not patchy whatsoever. It doesn't feel too drying on the lips either. So yeah. Alright guys, so final thoughts on the collection. I actually do like the eyeshadow palette. I did feel that the matte shadows were a little bit dry, but overall they did get the job done. I actually really like how it came out. I just feel like I had to do just a little bit more work, so do keep that in mind when you do purchase these, if you do. The shimmer shades were actually really nice. Liquid lipsticks, I do really like. I like how this lip came out. Like I said, it's not too drying. It's comfortable. It's not patchy. The blush, however, was a no for me. Overall, I like the toner, the lip scrub. I mean, it's just a lip scrub. I don't think there's anything special to the lip scrub. I did like the primer. I have not tried the multi-use oil, so I can't really say anything about that. I did like how this gave a little bit of a tint. Well, not a little bit. It actually gave a pretty good tint to the lips, even though it is clear. So I did like that. Overall, in general, as a whole, I do like the collection. So definitely go ahead and check them out. See if you would like to purchase any of the items. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you like videos like this, like these, like this, if you like videos like this one, then just make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you would like to see next. And please, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.